Hey Google TV users! Having issues with YouTube on your Google TV? You're in the right place to learn how to fix YouTube on Google TV. YouTube is one of the most popular video streaming platforms, but when it doesn't work smoothly on your device, it can be incredibly frustrating. Don't worry though, in this guide, I'll share effective solutions to get YouTube back up and running on your Google TV without breaking a sweat. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first step in resolving issues with YouTube on Google TV is to ensure your internet connection is stable. Here's how you can do it. 1. Restart your router. Unplug your router for about 30 seconds and plug it back in to refresh your connection. 2. Check other devices. Make sure other devices in your home can connect to the internet to rule out connectivity issues. 3. Use a wired connection. If possible, use an Ethernet cable to connect Google TV directly to your router for a more stable connection. Step 2. Update the YouTube app. An outdated YouTube app might be the culprit of your issues. Follow these steps to keep it updated. 1. Navigate to the Google Play Store. On your Google TV, open the Play Store app. 2. Check for updates. Search for YouTube and check if there's an available update. 3. Install the update. If an update is available, proceed to install it and restart your Google TV. Step 3. Clear app cache and data. Sometimes clearing the app cache and data can fix performance issues. Here's how you do it. 1. Go to Settings. Navigate to the Settings menu on your Google TV. 2. Select Apps. Find and select the YouTube app from the list. 3. Clear cache and data. Choose the options to clear cache and clear data. Then restart the app. This will reset the app's data without affecting your account. Step 4. Reinstall the YouTube app. If clearing your cache and data doesn't work, try reinstalling the YouTube app. 1. Uninstall the YouTube app. Navigate to the YouTube app in your settings, select it, and choose the option to uninstall. 2. Reinstall from the Play Store. Return to Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and reinstall the app. Step 5. Check Google TV software updates. Keeping your Google TV software up to date is crucial. Here's how to check for updates. 1. Access System Settings. From the main menu, go to Setting. 2. Select About. Navigate to the About section. 3. System Updates. Check for any available system updates and install them. Step 6. Reset Google TV. This step should be a last resort. If all else fails, try resetting your Google TV. 1. Back up important data. Ensure all your important data is backed up. 2. Factory Reset. Go to Settings, then find Device Preferences and select Reset to perform a factory reset. This will erase all data on your device, so proceed with caution. And there you have it, some simple steps to quickly resolve any issues with YouTube on your Google TV. Whether it's an internet connection hiccup, an app update, or a full system reset, these solutions will make sure you're back to enjoying your favorite YouTube content in no time. Remember, regular app and system updates are key to keeping things running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in and happy streaming.